Have you ever thought about recycling plastic bottles into something useful? Like a plant sprayer, perhaps? Welcome to a world where waste is not just waste, but a treasure trove of opportunities waiting to be discovered. Here we believe in the magic of recycling, in turning the everyday into the extraordinary. Today we're going to delve into a project that embodies this spirit, creating a handy plant sprayer from a humble plastic bottle. This not only helps reduce waste, but also gives you a tool that's both practical and unique. You'll be amazed at how a simple plastic bottle transforms into a device that nourishes life, encouraging your plants to thrive. It's a journey of transformation, from discard to essential, from ordinary to extraordinary. So are you ready to start this journey? To step into a world where nothing is wasted and everything holds potential? Stay tuned to learn how to create your very own plant sprayer from a plastic bottle. First things first, gather your materials. We'll start the project with a clean, reusable plastic bottle. Make sure it has a screw cap and the capacity is suitable for your needs. Next, we'll need a spray head. This can be found at your local hardware store or interior decoration shop. Remember, the spray head should fit into the mouth of your bottle perfectly to avoid any water leakage. Our next items on the list are the connecting tube and valve. These little helpers are vital as they connect the spray head to the bottle and control the amount of water sprayed. The length of the tube will depend on the size of your bottle, and it should fit tightly to prevent any leaks. Now that you have everything you need, let's move to the next step. Ready to get started? Begin by preparing your plastic bottle. It's the first step towards creating your very own plant sprayer. This is a task that requires a little patience, but it's worth it, trust me. First things first, you need to ensure your plastic bottle is clean. You might think, well, it's just going to hold water, right? But remember, we're creating a sprayer to nurture and care for your plants. Cleanliness is crucial, so give your bottle a thorough wash with warm water and a mild detergent. This will help remove any residual substances that might have been left over from its previous contents. Once you're done washing, rinse the bottle well to ensure there's no detergent left. Now let it dry completely. You might be eager to get on with the process, but patience here is key. A fully dry bottle ensures that the spray head will attach securely, preventing any possible water leakage down the line. Now that the bottle is clean and dry, it's time to install the spray head. You've already picked out the perfect one from your local hardware store or interior decoration shop. Now, screw the spray head into the mouth of the bottle. Make sure it fits snugly. A tight fit is essential because it prevents water from leaking out when you're using your sprayer. Take your time with this step. Ensure the spray head is securely inserted and there are no gaps around it. And there you have it. You've prepared your bottle and it's now ready for the next step. You're one step closer to having your homemade plant sprayer. It's not just about watering your plants, it's about doing it in a way that's environmentally friendly and creative. Great job. Your bottle is almost ready. Now on to the next step. Now, it's time to install the connecting tube and valve. This is where the magic happens, where the water will flow from the bottle to the spray head. Let's jump right in. First off, let's get that connecting tube ready. You'll want to cut a length that's suitable for your bottle size. Don't worry about getting it perfect the first time. You can always trim it down if it's too long. The goal here is to ensure that the tube reaches from the spray head to the bottom of the bottle. Once you've cut the tube, fit it onto the spray head. It should fit snugly, creating a watertight seal. With the tube attached to the spray head, it's time to introduce the valve. This little gadget is your control center, allowing you to adjust the amount of water that's sprayed out. You're going to want to install this onto your connecting tube. Most valves will just slide onto the tube and secure with a twist or a clip. Make sure it's secured properly, as this will be crucial in controlling the water flow. Now let's connect the other end of the tube to the inside of the bottle. This is a simple process. Just feed the tube through the mouth of the bottle until it reaches the bottom. The tube should be long enough to reach the bottom, but not so long that it bends or kinks. Once it's in place, secure it to the bottle. You can use a bit of adhesive or a small clip to keep it from moving around. And just like that, you've installed the connecting tube and valve. It's a simple step, but it's one that's absolutely vital to the functioning of your homemade plant sprayer. You're now one step closer to having a fully functioning, eco-friendly plant sprayer made entirely from a recycled plastic bottle. Well done, your sprayer is coming together. Let's move on to the final steps. Before we fill it up with water, let's do some final checks. The first thing we want to ensure is that all the components are properly installed. The spray head should be securely inserted into the mouth of the bottle with no gaps around it. This is crucial to prevent water leakage. Next, let's turn our attention to the connecting tube and valve. The tube should fit snugly between the spray head and the bottle. If it's loose, water might not flow as smoothly as we want it to. The valve should also be properly installed onto the connecting tube. It's the key player in controlling the amount of water that gets sprayed out. Now let's check for leaks. Give the bottle a gentle squeeze. If you see water droplets escaping from anywhere other than the spray head, we need to tighten things up a bit. Remember, it's always better to catch these issues now before we start using the sprayer on our plants. Once we're confident that everything is in order, it's time to fill the bottle with water. Screw off the cap, fill it up to a level that suits your needs, and then screw the cap back on. Make sure it's tight to avoid any spillage. Now for the fun part. Let's give our sprayer a test run. Aim it at a plant, press the trigger, and watch as a fine mist of water sprays out. If the water isn't spraying out as expected, adjust the valve until you get the desired effect. And there you have it. You've just created a functional plant sprayer from a plastic bottle. This nifty little tool will help keep your plants hydrated and happy. Plus, you've done your part in recycling and reducing waste. Fantastic! Your plant sprayer is ready to use, but there's one more thing you can do. For those of you who love a bit of creativity, why not decorate your new plant sprayer? This not only gives your sprayer a unique look, but also makes it more enjoyable to use. Now, the design you choose for your sprayer is entirely up to you. You could go for a minimalistic look with a single color, or choose a vibrant pattern that reflects your personality. If you're feeling particularly artistic, why not try your hand at painting a small mural or scene onto the bottle? Acrylic paints could work wonders here. Another way to decorate your sprayer is by using stickers or decals. This is a great option for those who might not feel confident in their painting skills. You can find a wide range of stickers online or at your local craft store. From floral patterns to abstract designs, the sky's the limit when it comes to personalizing your sprayer. Alternatively, you might want to consider using washi tape. This is a type of decorative adhesive tape that comes in a variety of colors and patterns. It's easy to apply and remove, making it perfect for those who like to change up their designs regularly. If you're going for a more natural look, you could even use materials from your garden. Press some leaves or flowers onto the bottle for a beautiful, organic design. Just make sure to seal them with a clear varnish to protect them from wear and tear. Regardless of the method you choose, remember to let any paint or adhesive dry thoroughly before using your sprayer. The last thing you want is for your beautiful design to be ruined by water damage. And there you have it, a fully functional, personalized plant sprayer made from a recycled plastic bottle. Remember to check and maintain it regularly for smooth operation.